In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight an image with a neon glow frame in Canva. This simple yet effective technique can really make your visuals stand out, and I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you have all the information needed to achieve that perfect glow. First, let's navigate to Canva by entering their website into your browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in. If you already have a Canva account, click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the screen. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the prompts for new users. Now, once you've clicked Login, you'll be given different options to continue. Typically, there's a Continue button that you'll need to select, especially if your login credentials are already saved, which takes us to the next step. For those using Google account integrations, you'll need to select your Google account. Find the correct account you wish to use for Canva and select it. After you've done this, you'll see another Continue button. Click on that to finalize your login session, and you'll be directed to your Canva dashboard. Now that you're logged in, go ahead and open the project you'd like to work on. Whether you're starting fresh or editing an existing design, make sure you've selected the correct file. Once your project is open, find the image or element you wish to add the glow effect to, and click on it to highlight your selection. It's vital to ensure the right image is selected because this is where all the magic happens. With your image selected, look for the Edit button, typically found on a toolbar or an options menu nearby. Clicking Edit will allow you to access various customization features. Under the list of editing options, locate Effects. Within the Effects section, you should see Shadows. Click on this, which is where the glow feature resides. Now click on Glow from the list of shadow options. This will apply a default glow effect to your image. But don't worry if it's not exactly what you imagined just yet. This is merely the starting point, and there's plenty of room for customization. You can adjust the size of the glow by using the size slider, making it larger or smaller depending on your preference. Also, you have the freedom to change the color of the glow, choosing from a range of hues that best match your design. Finally, refine the intensity of the glow to get the exact look you're aiming for. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you're done. Congratulations, you've successfully highlighted your image with a stunning neon glow frame using Canva. This vibrant effect will undoubtedly give your design a striking edge and help it stand out brilliantly. Enjoy experimenting with different colors and intensities